This is important. You must listen carefully. Do you know why you're here? You are here because you've been specially requested to help kill the bad people. The BIA has brought you here to learn of our secret alkali element solution that's been used to kill the bad people. The official name of our concoction is the Hot Chocolate of Doom.
We will start off by showing you all how to make the Hot Chocolate of Doom.
It is important that you use the correct ingredients when making the Hot Chocolate of Doom, because if you don't, it might not kill the bad people.
We start off by taking a pot and pouring milk in it. One must realize, though, that we are using a milk recipe, not a water recipe, because milk has a very high source of lithium, which melts at 180.54 degrees Celsius.
While Jacqueline is heating the milk, I'll tell you some more facts about it. Lithium, which Jacqueline mentioned earlier, is found in milk. The lithium in milk will boil around 1,342 degrees Celsius, but because there are other things contained within the milk will boil at a much lower temperature.
Let's learn some more fun facts about lithium while we wait for the milk to boil around the edges of our pan.
Lithium was discovered by Johann August Arfvedson in 1817. Lithium is mostly found in South America, oceans, and certain North American states, as well as being found in milk.
Lithium is in the alkali element group, along with every other element we will be talking about today. Therefore, they all only have one valence electron.
When buying pure lithium, it costs $27 per 100 grams. But because the lithium we are using today is found within milk, and milk is only about $4 a gallon, it'll cost much less. Now let's add the chocolate. Potassium is also an alkali element found within chocolate. Now it must be melted in the boiling milk.
In order for potassium to melt, it must reach a temperature of 63.38 degrees Celsius. We do not need it to reach as high as 759 degrees Celsius, because then it would be boiling. Potassium, discovered by Sir Humphrey Davy in 1807, makes up 2.4% of the Earth's crust, and can be mined in Germany, Utah, California, and New Mexico. Isolated through the electrolysis of molten caustic potash, it can be used in fertilizers, the preservation of food, and low-sodium salt. You would be surprised to know that it is essential for the plant growth.
Potassium is a more common element because it is found in many foods that you eat every day and only costs $40 per pound. It is a key element in your body, and if the levels become too low, then you could become very sick. In your body, it helps you if you have healthy, strong bones, nerve impulses, balanced electrolyte levels, and most importantly, regulates muscle contractions, including your heart. After the chocolate is melted, which it is, we must add some salt, which is made up of sodium. Sodium has a melting point of 97.72 degrees Celsius and a boiling point of 883 degrees Celsius. Although we will neither be melting or boiling the sodium within the salt, we will be dissolving it within the milk and chocolate solution. Sodium was discovered by Sir Humphrey Davy in 1807 and is also the sixth most abundant element in the Earth's crust. Sodium, other than salt, can be found in many other things. Sodium is also used in the production of titanium, sodamide, sodium cyanide, sodium peroxide, sodium hydride, and other compounds like salt. Sodium costs $25 per 100 grams, but when buying table salt, it is much less expensive.
Now that our salt is dissolved, we can add the cesium. Cesium is extremely poisonous. Cesium is the element in our ingredients, in the Hot Chocolate of Doom, that makes it deadly. Cesium has a melting point of 28.44 degrees Celsius and a boiling point of 671 degrees Celsius. Cesium was discovered by Robert Wilhelm Bunsen and Gustav Robert Kirchhoff in 1860. It can be used in cures for cancer, but when given in high amounts, it is extremely deadly to humans. Cesium is $50 per gram, and although it is very expensive, it makes our alkali product do the job. Finally, one cannot have a normal hot chocolate without marshmallows. Due to the fact that marshmallows are mostly made out of air, there is an abundance of hydrogen in them. Hydrogen is also an alkali element, having a melting point of negative 259.14 degrees Celsius and a boiling point of negative 252.87 degrees Celsius. Hydrogen was first produced by Robert Boyle in 1671, but not actually recognized as an element until 1766, when Henry Cavendish declared it an element. Today, hydrogen is mostly used in making fuel, including rocket fuel. It is found in water, ammonia, methane, table sugar, hydrogen peroxide, and hydrochloric acid, as well as in marshmallows. Hydrogen alone is $42 for 179 standard cubic feet, but marshmallows are extremely inexpensive. Now that you see the finished product, we would like for you to try it.